Hello students, come back to our class. Today we are going to deal with the new topic children from the page number 82. I have mentioned the page number 82 here. You just to refer the page number 82 and let us see what is given here. One poem is given children. One poem is given. About what? What is the title of the poem children? The title of the poem is here is given is My Trip to the Moon. My Trip to the Moon. Recently we have completed the lesson. A trip to Andaman. A trip to Andaman we have completed. Based on that, we have come across one poem in our textbook, in English textbook. That is the My Trip to the Moon. If you open the page number 82, open the page number 82, children. So in the page number 82, one picture is given, children. Yes. What pictures are able to see here? Here one bed is there, one boy. That means it is the bedroom. From the bedroom, he can able to see the window. You can able to see the window. So that boy is also seeing the window. From window, what is seen, children? One rocket is there, and in that rocket, one person is sitting. For that person, what we call? Let us see here. Okay, this is the picture. What is given in the textbook? Let us see, children. Before giving the explanation, I will read the poem. Let's start reading the poem. My Trip to the Moon. I was sitting alone in my house studying the structure of a mouse. My exams were going on and science I hadn't done. Suddenly the lights went out. Then I heard a loud buzz. Someone was there outside. I went out to look, full of fright. I saw a huge rocket and an astronaut in white. He invited on a flight to the moon. We reached there by afternoon. We jumped around as we couldn't walk on the ground. It was a lot of fun. I reached home before the setting sun. My science test went very well, but no one knows the secret which even now inside me dwells. Okay, children, this is the poem I have read. Once again, if you want to read means again I will read here. Let us see. I was sitting alone in my house studying the structure of a mouse. My exams were going on and science I hadn't done. Suddenly the lights went out. Then I heard a loud buzz. Someone was there outside. I went out to look, full of fright. I saw a huge rocket and an astronaut in white. He invited me on a flight to the moon. We reached there by afternoon. We jumped around as we couldn't walk on the ground. It was a lot of fun. I reached home before the setting sun. My science test went very well, but no one knows the secret which even now inside me dwells. Okay, children, this is the poem. Now, shall we start the explanation? Yes, I will give the explanation. Listen to the poem carefully, children. What is the title given here? My Trip to the Moon. That means a boy is making a trip for what, children, here? He is making a trip to the moon. That means he is going to the moon. Are you able to go, children? No, it is not easy to go. You can travel on the earth, but you cannot travel in the sky. Okay, you cannot travel in the sky and reach up to the sun, the moon. What is moon, children? Moon is a natural satellite. It is one satellite. Now, earth is what? Earth is a planet. Yes, got the differentiation, children? Earth is the planet on which we are living. On which we are living. Moon is the natural satellite. Next, what is the sun, children? Sun is a burning star. No one goes near to the sun. It will give the sunlight all over what, children? To our galaxy. How many planets are there? No? To all those planets, it will give the sunlight. Okay, children? Now, a part of this, we'll start the explanation from the textbook about the boy. Before starting explanation, I will tell children. He is a boy. He is just imagining that he is going to the moon, and he is saying all these words. What is saying? I was sitting alone in my house studying the structure of a mouse. He was sitting. How is sitting, children? He is sitting alone in his house. Okay, while he is sitting alone in his house, okay, simply he is not sitting. He is studying the structure of a mouse. That means he is practicing to draw the structure of a mouse. He is studying what? He is practicing the structure, to draw the structure of a mouse, children. My exams were going on. Why he is studying now? Why? Because his exams were going on. My exams were going on and science I hadn't done. Okay. His exams were going on. To the next day, in the next day, he has the science exam. Which exam he has, children? He has the science exam. And science I hadn't done. Suddenly the lights went out. What happened, children? Suddenly the lights went out. Suddenly the lights went out. When he was studying the structure of a mouse, and the science hadn't done. That means he did not prepare for the science exam. Suddenly the lights went out. When he was preparing, suddenly the lights had went out. See, in our house, during night time, when the lights went off means total it will become dark. Yes or no? So he is a child. Due to the darkness, he is going to fear now. Suddenly the lights went out. Then I heard a loud burst. When the lights were put off, when the lights were gone, what happened? He heard a loud burst. B-U-R-S-T, burst. Burst is nothing but, loud burst is nothing but noise, children. Okay, loud burst, loud noise he heard when the light went off. Suddenly the lights went out. Then I heard a loud burst. Loud burst, some sound is heard when the lights were gone, children. Now, someone was there outside. I went out to look full of fright. That means some sound he heard now. He wanted to know from where the sound has came. That's why what he has done, children? He thought that someone was there outside. Someone was there outside. I went to look full of fright. He wanted to know who is that person, what is that thing making the sound. He wanted to know. He went outside and he is going to see with full of fright. That means he has much fearness in his mind. Okay, children. Now I saw a huge rocket. When the sound he heard, now he went outside. When he went outside with full of fright, he saw that there was a huge rocket. Huge means there was he saw a huge rocket. He saw that there was a big rocket and an astronaut in white. He saw a rocket and an astronaut in white. Astronaut, children, what is the meaning of astronaut? Person who travels in the space. The person who will travel in the sky. The person who travels, who goes to the moon or to the another planets. For them we will call the astronaut. So he saw one astronaut, the person who is going to travel to the moon. He saw to that person. How is he? In a white color costume, white color dress. Totally his body was covered with the white costume, children. Now, I saw a huge rocket and an astronaut in white. He invited me on a flight to the moon. That means when he saw to the astronaut was calling to him. Calling for what purpose? He is invited. He invited to come to the moon in a flight. Flight is nothing but here rocket, children. The astronaut invited the boy to come with him to the moon in a flight. Flight is nothing but the rocket. We reached there by afternoon. Okay, what he has done? He agreed. When the astronaut was calling, it was just imagination, children. In the beginning itself, I told for you. It was the boy was making an imagination. Okay, so he invited on a flight to the moon. We reached there by afternoon. What they have done? The astronaut has invited for this boy, and the boy has went with the astronaut. They reached there by afternoon. By afternoon, at which place they have reached, children? They reached to the moon. Next, we jumped around as we couldn't walk on the ground. We jumped around. They went to the moon and they are just jumping. They are just jumping around. They are jumping around as we couldn't walk on the ground. That means they are just jumping on the moon. They are not keeping any footstep on the moon. Why, children? Why? Because there is no gravity. There is no atmosphere there. That's why they are just jumping in the air. They are not keeping any foot on the moon. We reached there by afternoon. We jumped around as we couldn't walk on the ground. It was a lot of fun. See, when they are jumping on the moon, they had a lot of fun. They had a lot of fun. I reached home before the setting sun. I reached home before the setting sun. That means they went to the moon. They lived from home in the morning and they have reached in the afternoon. And in the evening before the sunset, they have reached home. I reached home before the setting sun. That means the boy has returned home by afternoon. My science test went very well. My science test went very well. That means he has written the science exam well. But no one knows the secret. What is the secret, children, here? Now tell me. The total explanation will come. The total imagination part will come. What the boy has made the imagination, that imagination he kept as a secret, children. But no one knows the secret. What is the secret? The secret is that when he was studying the structure of a mouse, when he was practicing, what happened? At that time, the science exam were going on. Suddenly, the lights went off at that time. The lights went off. So, at the same time, what is happened there? He heard a loud burst, means a more noise was heard. He wanted to know from where the sound is coming. He went there without any fright. There he saw that an astronaut is inviting him to the moon. This boy went with that astronaut into the moon. He jumped there. Why? Because there was no atmosphere. He is going on jumping in the air only. He did not keep any footstep on the moon. Okay, children. By evening, before the sunset, they have reached home. Then afterwards, what happened? He wrote the science exam well, and he wanted to keep the secret as a secret only. Whatever happened with him, he wanted to keep this as a secret. But no one knows the secret. He did not tell to anyone. No one knows the secret, which even now inside me wells. Whatever the secret is now, still it is living in his heart only. He did not tell to anybody. This is the explanation of the poem, children. So, what imagination he has done? Whatever the imagination he has done when he was preparing for the examination. He was just preparing for science exam, children. So, when he was preparing for the science exam, he just made some imagination. He did not go to the moon. He just made some imagination that he has went to the moon. He has just went to the moon. Then afterwards, what is happened? He enjoyed there and he came returned back. By keeping in mind, he just prepared for the examination. He prepared well for the examination and he wrote the exam well, children. Then afterwards, what is happened? The boy is kept as a secret only. He did not tell to anybody. Next, children, this is the poem. What we have learned? We have learned about the boy is making the imagination what imagination he has made? He made the imagination that he made a trip to the moon, children. Now, this is the poem. Now, if you refer the page number 83, answer the following questions are there, children. Answer the following questions. Let us answer here. Do you think the child really went to the moon? Just now tell me, the children. Really the boy went to the moon? No, just he made the imagination. The answer is what, children? Imagination you start with. He made the he did not go to the moon because he just made the imagination. What was the child's feeling about his trip to the moon? How he felt, children? How he felt? What was child's feeling when he went to the moon? He felt very happy. He felt very happy. Within a single word you can give the answer. Next, third one. Why couldn't the astronaut and the child walk on the moon? Why they did not walk on the moon? Why? Because there is no atmosphere. There is no atmosphere and there is no gravity also. Gravity means if you throw something up, it should come down. Then it is clear that the earth has a gravity. We are living on the earth. That means the earth has a gravity. But when we are going to the moon, there is no gravity, children. There is no gravity and there is no atmosphere. Next, how would you feel if you were in his place? How will you feel if you are in his place? You'll feel very excitement. Okay, you'll feel much of excitement. You'll feel very excited. Next, if you are given a chance, which planet would you visit? Come on, tell me, children. Will you go to the sun? Sun is not a planet. It is a burning star. It is one type of star. Okay. Moon. You can go, but there is no atmosphere. Mars. M-A-R-S. Mars. You can go to the Mars, children. There is an atmosphere also. There will be an atmosphere. So Mars is the correct planet where we can survive. Okay. Can you guess the secret that dwells inside the child's mind? What is that secret, children? What is the secret he dwells in his mind? The secret is that hard work and the extensive reading. That means he had done some hard work and he has read something. Okay, he had some extensive reading inside the child's mind. Okay, so these are the questions, children. In the next class, we will be meeting with the another topic.